Okay, thank you. First of all, this house, for the motion today, this house would require individual to pass a political general knowledge test in order to vote. Okay, first of all, you say that if we want to vote the people in the political choice, we should know that they are uneducated people and they are credible people and they know a lot about the politics. But first of all, we should say that it is not the guarantee that people who have the pass the political knowledge test would make the everything you have said before will do better. First, you say that if they have lots of general knowledge test, they would make the decision will be correct. They know how to make the decision rights in the public and how they make the program. But in fact of those things that if we believe that it is better to see how analytics they are by seeing their programs to the public and see how their background are. First of all, if you only see their knowledge without how their program to the public, it's totally different. First of all, the intelligence and how they put their program into the public is quite enough different. First, I have to say that so many people don't pass the test, and then it's cause the lack of political knowledge. So then less people vote. Joint election is everybody's right, especially for adults. Political knowledge test will break the people's liberty to vote. Only people who has good political knowledge can vote, and other hands, ordinary people or uneducated people has the right to get their human rights. Yes, this is quite enough. First of all, you say that by analyze their intelligence, analyze their knowledge in the political, and how if they pass the political test, they will probably more critical. They will probably have the enough strong arguments to break out everything that the former politicals has done. But we have to see this is not quite enough because as you see, the reality is individual does need a political general knowledge test in order to vote. Why? So it causes so many discrimination to the politics itself. As I said before, first of all, it's about the human rights to be chosen in the politics and how to vote in the politic decision. It's also said in our fundamentals right that everyone has the same right, everyone has the same task to do some in the democracy. If you say that democracy is all about the rights, not by all the knowledge, even when the political knowledge can make them as a good politician. So as you see that we totally disagree if the House would require a individual to pass a political general knowledge test in order to vote, because in only just a few people that only good intelligence and good manners, and they hand of how to vote, which one is the correct one and which one is the not good one. That's only make it's make only the gradation in our society. And if you say that educated people, when they don't pass the test, they can study for a few months. But I think if you only to study for a few months just to vote, it's going to make wasting time and wasting everything that we have done before. So you say that better benefit educated and good the voters. You say if it's a better benefit and educated, but I think rather than make it the politics test can make it good better. We clearly see how many real politics are harming the public while they all have the political knowledge test. You see that it's not the guarantee that that everyone's when they have good knowledge in the politics they will do the good things. Yes, I say that they can be more critical if only they knew how the program to the impact to the society and how the program will be totally can cause the society in good ways. Somehow, we strongly disagree if this House would require an individual to pass a political general knowledge test in order to vote. As I said before, that it is really harming the first the human rights, and the second it's also break the people's liberty to vote. And that's all my comment. Thank you.